Hi everybody, today I wanted to demonstrate a feature that most owners of a Tesla don't know that it exists, and that would be auto folding your side mirrors when you get home or anywhere else that you want it to fold automatically. So I'm going to demonstrate how it works, and then I'm going to show you how to set it up. So I'm approaching my house. Of course, there's a car. It's exactly the right moment. And as soon as I'm about where I'm going to enter, the side mirrors fold automatically. Great feature. Now, as soon as I drive away, check it out. As soon as I drive away, a few feet here, and it's gonna fold back. Perfect. Now, why do you need that? You need that in case that you have narrow garage doors, so you don't have to kind of worry that you're gonna hit the mirrors. And yeah, it's a great feature. Automatic. So let me show you how it is done. Alright, so now I'm going to demonstrate what you do in order to get this to automatically fold. So you get to your driveway, right? You don't put it in park, you don't put it in anything. You click fold mirrors, and then save location pops up. You click save location, and that's it. Now you have to do it before that save location changes to this blue. But once you click save location, it does it. You can also remove it if you're at that location. So let me demonstrate that too. All right, so when you're at the location, you basically click unfold, and the remove location will show up. Just click on it, it will remove it. That's about it. All right, if this helped you, please click that thumb up, smash it quick. If you like this type of content, please subscribe, click that notification bell. And if you know a Tesla owner that would benefit this, share this video with them. That would help a lot too. Hey, have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till next time.